let's talk about MoGraph shader. For example, in this sphere, we assign a material to that and double click in its, for example, color, in a texture. Here is a MoGraph Beat Shader. It's create a heartbeat and changing the black and white color. To sing that, we have to assign to that and just play. Now you can see we have an beats for black and white. And again, it is in black and white, and you can use it in all channels. It's very useful. The black is 0, white is 1, and in between is gray. You can change the beat per minute if you want to move it faster or slower. You can change the actually frequency of that peak range. Okay, we have more, less frequency, or more. And here again, you can assign any graph that I explained this before with all of the settings. Is common in Cinema 4D, and this is an bitrate. You can use it. It's repeating and repeating this shader. You can invert it if you want between black and white. Right click, and this is our beat shader. So you can use it in alpha or adult channel, but the usage of this shader is not there. It's in here. You can assign it. You can delete the material of that. You don't need that. You can assign the deformer to that. Which deformer? Displacer. Where was that? Displacer. Bring down. I explained them all of them before. And in the settings, we have a shading again. These common tools that I explained them. From here, MoGraph Beat Shader. If you play it, you can see, you can deform object with the beat shader. You can make a heart and simulate a beat, heartbeats to that. Okay, this is another usage of the benefit of beat shader that you can use all place in Cinema 4D. If you learn all of this menu that I explained them from top to down, you can use it in anywhere in the Cinema 4D. Nice.